front to back, left to right, when you went, say hell yeah. Put your hands in the sky, get 'em up, say class the fun. Say class the fun. Burlington scream. Don't care whose eyes are on me, I'll air on my dirty laundry. I try to keep it classy, but they try to say it's raunchy. Call me bald, honky eyebrows like Sean Connery. Either way, I get the thumbs up like 14. All the way to 14, Long Beach, all 20, New York, all 20. There ain't no place for your brain. I'm blaming teams that my pop money started rolling. I learned the art of class, you learn the art of showing. You never see the sun is frozen like the art of Gucci. Everybody I'm I'm super intelligent and saying it really understand. They try to shut me up, but every show I shut it down. So how's that work? I go all night, I'm rolling in the jungle late night. Turning my stripes, think of my bullets. What you say? I'm a target, is the one up in the lion's den. I'm still the product of my environment. I wish you nothing but the best. Sickness and health. The class with anything else. I call it how I see it. Get up, I'ma always say it 'cause it's true. How y'all feeling on a Friday night? Burlington, y'all feeling classy tonight or not? So let me up to me. I'm not what you can see to me. One in the mill, one in the drill, I'm gonna smell celebrity. Oh, no, no. I don't let it come in the ring. I can pull up history. Mentally and physically. We don't see the bright lights of the sun. I'm party with the sun tight to make a way to industry. We don't need another hero. I relate to real people, not these subsets. We know live who you wanna be. I'm so flashy. If you ask me, nothing is flashy. You never see me with my sunglasses on in the club. Dancing on the table to my own song being fun. You never see me with a couple bottles of Chris. Trying to pick up on a chick like that ain't the label that's put me on. But I still stay I'ma do what I want. Never laying this hard, not to leave them. Don't do what they say and I can't say that ain't class. What? Say that ain't class. What? Hey yo, it's the mic. This is how it's going down. Put your hands up and down. Pumping up. The one making many beats, pumping in the hall. The one smoking plenty trees, pumping in the club. The one's getting loose, Friday night, having fun. Spilling drinks on the floor when I'm on it. Drunk, that's classy. I guess I'm the ultimate. It's all the way I'm often hated, cause we know related. And I don't feel offended, everyone can see the peace. I truly hate pretending, so all you get is me, that's classy. Get your hands back up. Get side to side and say, I'ma do what I gotta do. I'ma lay it in someone, I'ma hate them. Do what they say and I can't say what? Ontario. The sun is going down. How you guys feeling tonight? It's feeling good. You guys get much hip hop out here or what? Make some noise one time for D.O. and Maestro Fresh West. Family affair up here, man. Avi, we got the water, we got a little bit of liquor, we got a little party, right? How many people been working all week, 9 to 5? Make some noise. Welcome to the free show, people. Avi, let's celebrate that shit right now. Half flank, say what? Classify, say what? like Jackson 5. Guys get it in with the classic vibe. Over full course meal, ain't no appetizer. Everybody gotta forget the everyday stress for a minute. I'm about to celebrate like we in the 9 minute. 2 hours about to win a minute. I'm waiting on the payday. Like I'm living in my heyday. Back to in the club like J.J. Check it out like hey. I'm going this way today. I'm feeling good, yeah, it tastes great. I got paid, another day late. So one more day in the chart they hate. So they can play all night. If you play some like it up. Say whether it's not the ball, we're writing rhymes. I'm just gonna survive and goodbye till it's I've been going all day, all night, all week. Waiting on the street and a cup of coffee. Getting it right. And I'm waiting on a week on a straight check. Cause I hate that, and I got bills to pay before the day's out. I'm trying to keep right, but I stay left. And I ain't checking out, but you know wait. And my room was a brand new. So because I gotta buy another open. The whole is full of the open. I stretch money like a rope, it's all in pain. And that's it, come here, man. Hey, she's in it. Ain't no one with the other. Ask your friend, you need to work it out before you catch it. Here we go. Whether it's not the father, do a rap around. I'm just gonna survive and get by till it's I've been going all day, all night, all week. Waiting on the dream. Getting it right. What? We go like this. Like, say what? What? Say what? Outdoors, say what? Burlington, say what? Yeah. Make some noise if you're born and raised in Burlington. I come from Nova Scotia. We got any Nova Scotians? Anyone from the East Coast in here? The far East Coast, the real East Coast. Real East Coast. Let's take it back to the Maritimes, man. I come from Enfield, Nova Scotia, where we like to eat our donaires like Halifax donaires. I'm hoping to get a free one out of that tonight. Halifax donaire is one of the greatest donaire places I've ever heard of. Ivy, let's take it back to the East Coast. Put your hand up like you're drinking a Say welcome to Maritime. Can I tell you what it's like where I'm from? I'm from the East Coast of Canada, home with a bagpipe. Known for the fiddle players, beer and a gang rights. No violence in the keys in the toenail. Home of the moose heads, but I don't really go there. We pay $1 for a liter of gas. Smokes cost $10 a pack. We always mix that tobacco with weed. It's just the way we always done it. Shit is natural. So let me tackle the street and I'll arrive on the scene and let you people know what you never trapped to see. And we got battle MCs and we got storytellers and we got awful MCs and corny motherfuckers. We got everything you want in here. Or it's just a backpack. Commercial gangster, R&B to abstract. Crimes are wrong, classic on the country. So many artists working, but no one making money. Welcome to the East Coast, home of the innocent. Still pigeonholed as a baller or a fisherman. No major league teams, baseball or hockey. It's kinda fucked up cause it's a home of Sidney Crosby. Hello. I'm trying to shake these stereotypes. So give me space, please, let me air my life. I don't even eat fish, no, never tried lobster. Can't play the fiddle and I never was a logger. I enjoy cool breezes, but I'm a fat surfers like swimming in the season. We only know about and green cables, coal mines, blue nose, and pea out potatoes. It's better than that. I'm living in the every town, nothing dead with that. We're the universal soul we got back for the good night, no for play lockdown. Fight for verse one, show biz house and dead. A million other artists trying to get their flow heard. And then you know that people working on silk skirt. I'm trying to blow like Halifax explode. emotions. Or maybe Anne Marie, I know she's Nova Scotia. Another people on emotion. I represent every time, what's the coast? Lick up one picture.